Would you like to control your phone with just one finger? I'm gonna show you how, and we're gonna start right now. How are you doing? My name is Claudio Varela and welcome to Phone Life TV. Today is the episode number 2 of the series Make It Simple, and we're gonna talk about an app called Finger Gesture Launcher. There will be a link on the description below starting on the video number 1. And there will be links for the rest of the series as well. So, what can Finger Gesture Launcher do?
Finger Gesture Launcher is an application that lets you create and use dozens of gesture shortcuts, allowing you to access many different features just by drawing lines on the screen of your device. The process to create gesture shortcuts is very simple. You just have to draw the same gesture 3 times, so the application learns different possible variations of it, and then you have to choose which action the gesture will trigger. This can be opening a specific application, making a phone call, opening a website or a WhatsApp conversation, and even shutting down the device. Once you set up your shortcut, you will be able to see it on a list of available shortcuts on Finger Gesture Launcher. From this list, you can delete any that you no longer want to use, add new ones, edit them, etc. From this point on, you just have to tap the small magnifying glass icon, draw your shortcut, and start saving time. One of my favorite actions is to open applications. By selecting Open Applications, I will select TVingo Plus, I will use the gesture 3 times, and the setup is done. I'm going to select now a different action. I'm going to select the Open web address. I will type www.bbc.co.uk. Press OK. Then I'll do the gesture again 3 times, and it's done. For the last action that I will select, I will go on Calls, open Dialer, and then set up a gesture 3 times again. I'll try with the C this time, and then it's done as well. The finger drawing settings, activate the first 3 options for better customization. Then you can select how you would like your icon, to the size that you want to use. You can select the smallest one, or you can change it for the biggest one. It all depends on your taste. I'll select the medium size. In the General Settings tab, activate Starter Finger on Startup, and then you have a few extra customization options for the app. You can try select a different color for the drawing panel. I'm going to try this red one. And then you can select as well the gesture line color. So now when you press on the finger, it will show you a red, and then you can design any gesture that you want with a different color. The lock screen settings are still on beta, so I don't recommend on using it, and in advance keep it as it is. Let's try now some of the actions that we set up. Finger Gesture Launcher is an excellent addition to your Android. It lets you customize lots of gesture shortcuts for actions that otherwise will take you several seconds to perform.
Also, if you have any questions or comments about this video, you can leave them down below and I will help if I can. If you are really interested in using apps that will help you, make sure that you watch the rest of the videos on this series. The links will be on the description below. Make sure that you click on the subscribe button so you can get more videos like this in the future. Thank you so much for watching, make sure you click on the like button and you share this video. See you soon.